Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked Swiss meringue. We need 250 grams egg white, 250 grams white caster sugar, 250 grams icing sugar, 50 grams corn flour. Fill medium saucepan 1/4 full with water. Set the saucepan over medium heat and bring water to a simmer. Combine egg whites, sugar, in the heat-proof bowl of electric mixer. Place over saucepan. Whisk constantly until sugar is dissolved and whites are warm to the touch. 3 to 4 minutes. Transfer bowl to electric mixer, fitted with the whisk attachment, and whip, starting on low speed, gradually increasing to high until stiff. Add icing sugar and corn flour. Mix glossy peaks form, about 10 minutes, and mix until combined. Preheat the oven to 80 Celsius and keep ready 2 baking sheets with non-stick baking paper. Check the texture. Pipe the meringue immediately. Bake in the preheated oven for 1.5 hours until the meringues are dry and lift easily from the paper. Leave to cool at room temperature and use it. We can use this meringue as a cookies, decorate desserts and many things. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.